up at Bing's Landing now. It's a nice boat launch, lots of space. There's a fishing dock over there and there's a fishing dock over here. This is the one we're gonna go to. Looks empty, or maybe just one guy's there. But there's usually fish, so let's go and see. So this is the beautiful Bing's Landing. Absolutely no one fishing it. Alright. We got something big on here. I put on that big mullet. Oh, he probably came off. Oh no, he's on. Oh, something really nice. If this is a catfish, it's a really big one. Alright, let's see what it is. I have that line out there too. Oh, he's pulling down real nice. Come on, let's see. It's pulling, coming in. Shark? Oh, it's a shark. Alright, not to break my rod tip, I'm going to hand line him up. Came off. He took the mullet because I had the mullet on this hook. Cause there's a shrimp. Let's see what type it is. I'm not so sure. Maybe somebody can tell me. Check on this. Oh. Threw him back, but this is the setup I caught him with just now. I put on a live mullet, took the mullet, so I'm going to try back again and see if I can get another one. I'm going to try bung some of these shrimp right around the dock, see if I get a flounder to hit it. You know, the river doesn't have a lot of current, so you can use a very, very lightweight. Let's try it right here and see. Watching the boat sail by and losing my bait. Okay. I caught some old fishing line. Alright. Let me put this back out and I'll bring up that line. Extra fishing line. Here's some old hook. throw all this away, but I'm gonna keep that weight, which is good. We're gonna try some cut mullet and see what we can catch on this cut mullet. Oh, something big is playing over there. I got my line there too. Let's see if we get anything with this cut mullet. I'm throwing it way out in the channel over there. This is on the cut mullet. Oh, I'm getting bite on that rod too. Look, I'm getting bite on there too. Oh boy. Let's bring this one in first and then see what's on that one. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Let's see. Oh, it's a big catfish. Look at the size of him. Let's see what's on this rod. Something picked up my mullet here too. Oh yeah. Oh, he let it go. That's a trout. Check out the size of this nice catfish. That's on a cut mullet. Some big shrimp today, hoping to get some trout or some flounder. Oh my, look, I'm getting hit over there. Baiting up and look, getting a bite, getting a bite. Let's go quickly. Let's put this down back right by that piling over there. This looks like a catfish again. Doesn't feel big. Nope, not big. I love my colored hooks. See these hooks? I make them myself. Well, I color them myself. Some orange and some pink. But I notice only the big catfish are hitting those mullet. I'm gonna try some more and don't put on any shrimp on here. Oh, I'm getting bite over there too. Look. There's some small bait messing with my shrimp. Now, whichever hook you're using or whatever bait, it's good to just leave a little. Make sure when you put a hook through the bait, that piece of the hook is out, because that's where you want to hook the fish with. Some people put on the bait and cover the hook tip. You can never set the fish in that. Alright, let's throw this mullet and see what we catch again. Alright, this time we're going for a big catfish. There's a little pot of dolphins, look.
There they are, right here.
Yeah, that's a resident pot. They're usually here all year round.
Yeah. There they are. They're all over the place.
Oh, something, look, one is right here, look.
Yeah, that's big.
Yeah, it's probably the big male is right here. Yeah, they're looking for a mullet. Oh, there he is, right here. They're feeding on mullet.
You ever smoke those mullets?
I do, but only the big ones that we catch at the inlet. Hey, we're gonna close off today's video. We're up at Bing's Landing. We went to Matanza Inlet. Bite was slow up there, that's how we came down here. But this place is beyond nice. Look at the park. You got an extra dock over there you can fish. There's a restaurant, there's Captain's Barbecue just behind this bush. And look at the dock. I've been here all day by myself. So once again, thanks for watching. Do hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please consider doing so. We have lots more fishing coming up this summer. I'm actually getting a bite. Look, doing a closing, we're getting a bite. Let me put on and see what it is. Are we gonna close off on a high? That's the best ending I could ask for. Okay, we have two nice catfish. Some nice curry. That's what I have to get. Some nice curry. That one looked like it had some eggs in the belly. I'll check it when I go home. Are you here to wish me goodbye? Say something for the camera. Really big one. He's looking for fish, for sure. Look at him stalking the water.